products arrive weekly with the best brands in the business, from Brownie, Whitewater, Silvermax, Gerber, and don't miss out on the incredible savings on Scentlock base layer jackets and pants. You just can't buy hunting and fishing gear cheaper than at Sportsman's Liquidation outlet stores, where you save 50 to 80% off every item every day. Sportsman's Liquidation has stores conveniently located in Chambersburg, Hanover, Harrisburg, Waynesboro, and York. Sportsman's Liquidation. Hunt, fish, play.
This Saturday, Littletown Ace Hardware invites you and the family back for a special anniversary celebration. It's Littletown Ace Hardware's 3rd anniversary sale, and there'll be snacks, more prizes, and new ways to look. Stop by and get a scratch and save coupon and earn up to 100% off your order. Plus, hundreds of last-minute gift ideas, which you can't afford to pass up. And yes, we did mention the